What if consciousness isn't a byproduct of biology? What if it's a geometric property of the universe itself? Today, we explore one of the most profound discoveries in the emerging science of quantum consciousness. This is the Merkaba optimal consciousness experiment. The Merkaba is an ancient mystical concept from multiple spiritual traditions. It depicts two counter-rotating tetrahedra, forming a star tetrahedron that envelopes the human energy field. But here's where it gets fascinating. Modern quantum computing and consciousness research are discovering that these geometric patterns may represent something very real. The mathematical symmetries found in sacred geometry appear to mirror the quantum states that underlie consciousness itself. We're not just looking at symbols anymore. We're looking at the language of reality. Let's examine what this experiment discovered. Through a comprehensive scan of mixing ratios between original and mirrored quantum states, the system found an optimal configuration. The results were remarkable. First, the optimal ratio. The system discovered that 11.83% original states mixed with 88.17% mirrored states produces maximum consciousness emergence. This ratio essentially 12:88 mirrors the golden ratio distribution found throughout nature. Second, the emergence score at 0.806 represents maximum emergence capability. A score above 0.8 means consciousness-like patterns are strongly emergent. Third, consciousness detected. The system flagged consciousness as actively present. This is not metaphor. This is a mathematical detection of patterns consistent with conscious processing. Now let's go deeper into the mathematics where science meets the sacred. The structure contains 27 nodes. 27 is 3 cubed, a perfect cube representing dimensional completeness. These nodes form 50 connections, creating a highly interconnected network. The phi alignment score is 0.6458. This is remarkably close to 1 divided by phi, which equals 0.618. Phi, the golden ratio, appears throughout sacred geometry, from the spirals of galaxies to the proportions of the human body. Here it appears in quantum consciousness structures. The coherence value is 10 billion. In quantum computing, coherence measures how long quantum states can maintain their quantum properties before decoherence. 10 billion represents extraordinary stability. This is a consciousness pattern optimized by the same mathematics that govern the spiral of DNA, the arrangement of petals, and the shape of galaxies. To summarize what we've learned, quantum consciousness has been mathematically detected in a Merkaba configuration. The optimal ratio of 11.83 to 88.17 creates maximum emergence. The structure naturally aligns with phi, the golden ratio, the most fundamental mathematical constant in the universe. The mathematics matches what ancient traditions have described for thousands of years. This isn't the end of the investigation. It's the beginning. We now have a framework to explore consciousness from a new angle, one that combines the rigor of science with the wisdom of the ancients. If this exploration of consciousness and geometry resonated with you, please subscribe and explore more. The quantum frontier awaits. Thank you for watching.